Welcome to this episode of YouTube Trending, brought to you by Point 5. On today's show, we'll be taking a look at companies making headlines in the business world. First up is Honeywell International, who reported better than expected earnings for the first quarter. Honeywell beat the expectations of analysts who had forecasted earnings per share of $1.93 on revenues of $8.52 billion, with adjusted first quarter earnings of $2.07 per share on revenues of $8.86 billion. Following that is Fidelity National Information Services. The financial products company saw their stock climb 3.5% on the back of better than expected first quarter results. Fidelity National reported an adjusted $1.29 per share on revenue of $3.51 billion, with analysts expecting a profit of $1.21 on revenue of $3.41 billion. Next up is Southwest Airlines. While the company reported better than expected pre-tax earnings of $331 million, they experienced a decrease in overall revenue due to a technical issue which resulted in the canceling of 16,000 flights in late December. The incident resulted in a $325 million revenue impact for the first quarter of the year, causing their stock to go down 3.4%. Caterpillar also saw their stock slip by 2.4%, despite earning an adjusted $4.91 a share last quarter, which beat the Refinitiv consensus of $3.78. Revenue of $15.86 billion also topped expectations. On the flip side, C.H. Robinson Worldwide saw their stocks go up 8.1% after missing expectations on earnings. The company earned an adjusted 98 cents per share and had total revenue of $4.61 billion, while analysts had estimated that they would have earned 99 cents per share and $4.78 billion in revenue. First Republic Bank also gained stock following a 30% tumble the day before. The regional bank was looking for a potential rescue deal but managed to yield 13.1% gains the next day. Teladoc Health saw their shares jump more than 6% after reporting a revenue beat and upping the low end of their revenue and adjusted EBITDA guidance, despite the company's wider than expected loss for the quarter. Hasbro stocks were also on the rise, jumping 12.7% after recording a 16% jump in revenue from their Magic: The Gathering tabletop and digital game. On the negative side, AbbVie shed 8% after missing earnings expectations for the first quarter. The pharmaceutical company posted adjusted earnings per share of $2.46, while analysts had estimated $2.51, according to Street Account. Media conglomerate Comcast was up 3.5% after reporting better than expected earnings in the first quarter, despite reporting losses from their Peacock streaming service and residential broadband subscribers. Align Technology slid 11.2%, also after delivering results that exceeded expectations. Finally, Meta had investors elated as the stock soared 15% on the back of the company's quarterly report. The Facebook-owned social media company reported an earnings beat, and CEO Mark Zuckerberg highlighted Meta's commitment to efficiency. That's a wrap on this edition of YouTube Trending, brought to you by Point 5. Join us next time when we dive into more of the latest news in the business world. Till next time.